Welcome, today we're going to show you how to factory reset a Dell laptop or PC even if you don't have your password. The first thing that you will see is the lock screen as you from here. You need to just hit on enter. After that, you will see the power options on the down right corner. So it will look like something like this. All you need to do now is to keep holding the shift button or the shift key and press on restart and keep holding the shift button. After that, a menu with a lot of options will appear to you. You need to choose troubleshooting options and then hit on reset this PC. After that, there's two options that you can choose. One is to keep your files, so you can actually remove all the settings and factory reset your PC and keep your files. And the other one is to remove everything and wipe clean your PC. So you can choose whatever you want. After that, you will be able to successfully factory reset your PC. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.